Hi guys, welcome back to Warthog Defense. I'm Seth. While Russia continues to push the narrative of denazification in Ukraine, their fascist paramilitary units remain active across the country. However, Ukrainian authorities have eliminated one such individual, the leader of the paramilitary unit Espanola, who is being held accountable for his action.
Vyacheslav Valerievich Subotin, head of intelligence of the Espanola group, has been killed in Ukraine. The Russian paramilitary group Espanola is made of football hooligans led by Russian football hooligan Stanislav Orlov, aka Spaniard. After reports of demilitarization of the chief of Razvedka of the Russian neo-Nazi Espanyol Brigade, Vyacheslav Subotin, let's see how he promised little Russian kids an ear of Azov fighter if they finish the school year with good grades.
Тому из вас, дорогие дети, кто закончит этот год на одни пятерки, я привезу ухо азовца, который отрежет мой боевой товарищ Крейзи.
And another HIMARS strike on Russian positions in Orlivka. A T-90M bogged down in the Kremlin direction. Lately, Russia loses lots of these tanks. Another Russian tank hit and bogged down near Yampolivka Terny, reported as a T-90M breakthrough. The 47th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Ground Forces appear have lost their second M1A1 SA Abrams main battle tank. During fighting to defend the town of Berdichi in the Donetsk region, the tank reportedly struck an anti-tank mine and was eventually abandoned, with it later being finished off by a Russian one-way suicide drone. During the fighting, a M1150 assault breacher vehicle on a M1 Abrams chassis was also destroyed. The Ukrainian armed force only have a handful of these engineering vehicles. The Russian army captured at least half of Novomikhailivka. Cam is looking from the center to the open east, where they expect no more enemy Ukrainian threats. Another outburst between Solovyev's team and the Russian serviceman 13th. Solovyev's lapdog Yakomenko insulted Prigozhin, without calling out his name, and even mocked his complaints about ammo shortage by claiming that Avdiivka was taken with snowballs. Think we can see where the line of the potential civil conflict could be drawn. It would not be Navalny's people who will topple Putin. No, it will be those whom he's calling his new elite. Why didn't you open your rooster beaks before? Are you too scared? So I'll tell you that in our huge country there are many who will one day ask you for this rotten speak. Russia is not limited to the Moscow Ring Road. You should always keep this in mind. Any faggot can kick a dead lion. He says they pelted Avdiivka with snowballs. Do you want me to tell what they pelted it with? With the corpses of our guys. Someone's sons, fathers, husbands, not the corpse of Solovyev's son, who grows his hair and with all his appearance promotes LGBT, an organization banned in Russia. And the corpses of ordinary men. Our Vovka from the crew died a year ago. They didn't even get him. There's nothing to bury, you know? MERD's Andrei Morozov announced the numbers just recently, but you were all sickened by this difficult truth. You started putting pressure on him, and we all know the result. Not guys, stop. These are the real enemies of the people. Do you know what they used to do with them in the past? A Russian artillery piece, likely a MT-12, destroyed. Aerial recon units of the 38th Marine Brigade found a Russian artillery piece and ammunition hidden on the occupied left bank. It was destroyed. The CEO of the Russian Rostec Corporation, Sergei Chemezov, has said that the T-14 Armata analog tank proved to be too expensive for the Russian war against Ukraine. It will not appear at the front. Armata actually is a bit expensive. In terms of its functionality, it is of course far superior to existing tanks, but it is too expensive, so the army is unlikely to use it now, Chemezov said. The 1st Battalion of the 5th Assault Brigade attacking Russian positions. Russia deployed 2127 Chinese Desert Cross 1003 buggies in southern and eastern Ukraine. In the current pace of destruction, half of them will be gone in 6 months. Ukraine is definitely Russia, Medvedev. Then why do millions of Ukrainians resist with everything they have not to become Russia? And who will be the next Russia for the deluded Kremlin historians?
Когда-то один из бывших руководителей Украины сказал, что Украина – это не Россия. Вот эта концепция должна исчезнуть навсегда. Украина – это, безусловно, Россия. Пятое. Мы, безусловно, доведем специальную военную операцию до логического конца. До окончательной победы, до капитуляции неонацистов. Спасибо. Спасибо большое. Спасибо. Спасибо.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying with Warthog Defense, the best source for the war in Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become a member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.